Japanese neck secret ends, pain and sagging fast. In Japan, we often say where the neck stiffens, life energy slows. The neck is not just a passage between head and body, it is the bridge between thought and movement, mind and heart. When this bridge becomes tight, many things begin to fall out of balance: headaches, dizziness, fatigue, even sagging of the face. Today, I will teach you a modern technique born from both Eastern wisdom and medical science, a way to release the deep cervical muscles. It is strong, sometimes painful, but deeply effective. And once you feel the change, you will understand how your body was meant to feel all along. Section 1. The first check and the sternocleidomastoid, SCM. Before we start, take a moment. Place your hands gently on your face. Feel your skin. Then slowly turn your neck from side to side and tilt it back. Notice where it feels tight or heavy. Keep that in mind. When we finish, you'll be surprised by how different it feels. You'll need something stable, a table, a chair, something you can rest your elbow on. This support lets you press deeper without tiring your arm. Now, find the small bone right below your earlobe. That's where the sternocleidomastoid muscle begins the SCM. Using the middle joints of your index and middle finger, press gently into that spot. Use your other hand to support your head. Let the weight of your head apply pressure, not your arm. Now, gently shake your head side to side. About 30 seconds. You feel it, don't you? That deep ache? Yes, it hurts. But this is the beginning of release. These muscles have been sleeping, stiff, maybe for years. Now, they're waking up. Section 2. The occipital area and backward push. Next, move your fist to the back of your head right where the head meets the neck. This is the occipital area. Hold your fist firmly there. Now, slowly nod your head up and down. Just a little. 30 seconds. Do you feel that deep tension? This is one of the most stressed parts of the body. When it's tight, it can cause headaches, fatigue, even affect your nervous system. By releasing it, you're creating a calmer space inside your body. Now return to the SCM, that same muscle on the side of your neck. Use your thumb this time. Press deep into it, then gently push it backward. 30 seconds. Here's why this matters. When your deep neck muscles are tight, they pull your head forward. You may know this as straight neck or forward head posture. It looks small, but it puts great strain on your spine and your nerves. By softening and pushing this muscle backward, you're helping your neck and shoulders return to their natural, relaxed position. Section 3. Lifting the face and reducing swelling. Now, let's work on the face. There are 2 key points to lift and refresh the facial muscles. Point 1. The side of the neck. Place your fist just below your earlobe. Hold it steady. Then, slowly tilt your head toward your fist. About 30 seconds. When this area is tight, lymph flow becomes stagnant. That's when puffiness and swelling appear. Over time, the skin starts to droop. When you feel that pain, it's not just pain. It's the sign of a blockage. And when you release it, circulation returns. The face wakes up. Point 2 behind the ear. Lift your ear slightly. Find the bony ridge just behind it. That's the secret point. Use your fingers or your fist. Press firmly, then massage up and down. 30 seconds. This point connects to several key facial muscles. Stimulating it helps lift the face naturally, not with force, but by restoring the natural tone of the muscles. Section 4. The shoulder blade squeeze. Rebuilding the foundation of your neck. Now that your neck and face are relaxed, let's strengthen the support system behind them, the upper back. Most people forget that a healthy neck depends on strong shoulder and back muscles. When the muscles between your shoulder blades are weak, the neck has to do extra work to hold your head up. Over time, this causes fatigue, stiffness, and pain. But when those muscles are active, they help your neck stand tall and free without effort. Here's a simple movement you can do anytime at your desk while watching TV. Even standing in line, sit or stand tall with your shoulders relaxed and your chest open. Take a slow, deep breath. As you inhale, gently draw your shoulder blades toward each other, as if you want them to touch in the middle of your back. Hold that position for 5 seconds. Feel the muscles tightening between your shoulders. That's the center of your posture working. Then, slowly release as you exhale. Repeat this about 10 times, moving with your breath. Don't rush. Keep your movements calm and controlled. Each time you squeeze, imagine your neck lengthening upward and your chest opening slightly. You may begin to feel warmth spreading across your upper back, that's circulation improving and tension releasing. This simple action reawakens the muscles that stabilize your neck and shoulders. It corrects the rounded posture that many people develop after years of sitting or looking down at screens. When you practice it daily, your neck will feel lighter, your breathing easier, and your spine naturally aligned. It's a quiet but powerful way to help your neck maintain the freedom you just restored. Section 5. The chin tuck, restoring your natural neck alignment. When your head leans forward even slightly, it changes everything. The neck strains, the shoulders round, and the muscles in your upper back start working overtime. Over months or years, this posture becomes what many people call text neck or forward head posture. It may seem small, but it quietly drains your energy, compresses your spine, and adds stress to your nerves and blood vessels. The chin tuck is one of the simplest and most effective ways to bring your head back where it belongs. You don't need any equipment, just awareness and patience. Sit or stand tall with your shoulders relaxed and your gaze straight ahead. Then, slowly pull your chin straight back toward your neck as if you're trying to create a small double chin. Don't tilt your head up or down, just move it straight back along the same level. Hold that position for about 5 seconds, feeling the gentle stretch along the back of your neck and the engagement of the muscles deep in the front. Then, slowly relax and return to your natural posture. Take a breath, then repeat. Do this about 10 times, keeping your movements slow and deliberate. As you continue, notice the difference. Your neck feels longer, your head sits more easily over your shoulders, and your breathing deepens. You may even feel your posture correcting itself without effort. This exercise strengthens the deep flexor muscles that support the cervical spine, the very same muscles that the Deep Cervical Release helps to awaken. When practiced daily, the chin tuck trains your body to remember what good alignment feels like. It allows the neck to move freely and stay balanced, protecting it from the strain of modern life. Think of it as pressing the reset button for your posture. Simple, quiet, and deeply restorative. Section 6. The gentle neck glide, freeing the spaces between the vertebrae. The neck is built for movement, gentle, fluid, balanced. But when the joints between your vertebrae become stiff, even small motions can feel heavy or restricted. The gentle neck glide helps restore that natural glide. It keeps the joints mobile, improves circulation to the spine, and reduces the pressure that builds up from hours of sitting or holding the head still. Begin by sitting tall with your shoulders soft and relaxed. Keep your eyes looking straight ahead. Imagine that your head is resting lightly on top of your spine, floating, not fixed. Now, slowly slide your head to the right, bringing your right ear a little closer to your right shoulder. Do not lift or twist your chin. The movement should be smooth and level. Feel a gentle stretch along the opposite side of your neck. Hold it for a few seconds, then glide your head back to center. Now repeat the same motion to the left. Move slowly, never forcing the range. Let your breath guide you. Inhale as you return to center. Exhale as you glide to one side. Perform this sequence 5 to 8 times on each side. As you move, pay attention to how your body responds. You may feel a soft pull through the muscles that run along your neck and into your shoulders. You might even sense warmth spreading upward toward your scalp. That warmth is blood flow returning, nourishing the tissues that have been compressed for years. This movement doesn't require strength, only patience and precision. Each glide helps open the small joints between your cervical vertebrae, creating more space for nerves and blood vessels to pass freely. When combined with the deep cervical muscle release, this simple motion can greatly improve flexibility, reduce tension, and even enhance balance and coordination. Finish the exercise by returning your head to the center and taking a slow, deep breath. Feel how your neck moves now lighter, smoother, freer. The goal is not to stretch far, but to move gently, often, and with awareness. When practiced regularly, the gentle neck glide becomes a quiet daily ritual, a way to keep the neck young, flexible, and alive. You have done very well today. What you feel now, the warmth, the lightness, the calm, these are not small things. They are signs that your body is responding. You are helping it remember how to heal itself. Turn your head gently from side to side. Tilt it backward. The stiffness you felt earlier, it has softened. Hasn't it? This is the beginning of change. The technique we practice today is simple, but it works deep inside. It does not just relax the muscles, it restores the connection between your body and your nervous system. And that connection is what keeps you balanced, calm, and alive. Healing does not come from doing something once. It comes from doing something small, with care, every day. So I recommend you practice this routine once daily, morning or evening, whichever feels right for you. Only a few minutes. Let it become a quiet ritual, a time to breathe and return to yourself. After 2 weeks, you will begin to notice more than just physical changes. Your posture will improve, your breathing will deepen, your face will look brighter, lighter, even your mood will feel calmer. Because when the neck releases, the whole body begins to flow again through blood, through breath, through the quiet rhythm of life inside you. Remember, your body always tries to heal. It only needs space and your patience. Be kind to yourself, move slowly, and trust what you feel. Thank you for taking this time with me today. Take care of your neck, take care of your heart, and I will see you again soon.